Nadine Lustre!
Viewers right now, thank you so much for tuning in. And hello, J-Deans!
Alright, bago ang lahat, happy 10th monthsary. Thank you guys. How are the two of you doing and how does it feel to be celebrating your 10th monthsary with your fans and everyone else watching us live on Facebook? I think this is the first time that we're celebrating with them. Right? So super happy kasi finally nakapag-celebrate tayo together. Super happy kasi finally nakapag-celebrate tayo together. Alright, sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa Facebook Live and of course everyone else out here, gusto nyo bang makita ang mga kilig dares by J-Dean? Ready na ba kayo for that? Okay, gusto nyong kiligin ng bonggang-bongga, di ba? I mean, the mere fact that you are joining us on stage, sobrang kinikilig na kaming lahat. Pero meron pa po tayong mga kilig dares. So, in order to be kilig over and over again, you have to complete your real goals for tonight. And this is a challenge that I'm sending out to everyone who's watching us live on Facebook. Meron po tayong mga real goals. So, kung magkaroon tayo ng 3,000 viewers, because right now we are at, if I'm not mistaken, about 1,700 viewers. So kung umabot po tayo sa 3 viewers, James will recite a spoken word poetry. Ay! Nakita nyo naman, excited si Nadine dyan. Pumapalakpak na si Nadine. So, if you want Nadine to experience that from James, 3,000 viewers is what we need, all right? And the next real goal is 5,000 likes para kumanta si Nadine ng song that reminds her of James. Okay. Grabe. Hindi naman siya masyadong excited. Alright. So, kung gusto nyong marinig kung ano yung kanta na nagpapaalala lagi kay Nadine of James, make sure you reach that real goal of 5,000 likes. Alright? So, are you up for the real goals? Everyone out here, are you up for the real goals? Alright. So, give us the hearts, the likes,